vlogging. It's a new day. The kids had their last day of their cooking camp. Yesterday, they learned how to make Indian food, butter chicken, naan. Oh my gosh, very impressive. The naan was so fluffy. What else? And then today, well, yesterday it started, but there was a fire in the Boundary Waters, and Minnesota has like one of the worst air qualities. It's really bad. Like our eyes hurt, like we get like sinuses, all of that. So I told Susan, I was like, you gotta stay home. You can't go come with me to pick up the kids. Yeah. Look at that haircut. Look at that. Excuse me, that's not for you.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's right. Let me catch it back. That's how strict I am. I run a tight ship up in here. And can't even. Let me catch it back. Some of y'all thoughts was taking it. Give it back. Give it. Oh, sorry.
Minneapolis is third in the country for worst air quality.
Oh my gosh, that's terrible. He just wants to show his new haircut. And
He's looking fresh.
Kind of weird.
Mog 'em, Liam. Mog 'em. We know the terminology.
Honey, do it though. He be like,
I don't know how to do it.
Anyways, you know what doesn't cause parasitic diarrhea? Adobo. That's what I made. Chicken adobo. And I also made it with hard-boiled egg because, you know, I don't eat chicken, but I want the flavor of it, so it's up in there. And then rice. I have been craving, maybe it's because we can't have it, but I want a Caesar salad so bad. I want me some Caesar. I want to eat a lettuce so bad. You know, those last 5 pounds. Just kidding. Just kidding. No, don't ever do that, my friends. Don't. Good morning, my friends. Air quality is better. Today's workout, ooh, it was good. But that's also because I'm really trying to push myself more. I'm lifting heavier, or I'm trying to. I told my trainer that is my goal. Anyways, we are going to Phum Mai today. Air quality is a little better, but we still want to stay inside. So Phum Mai is a wonderful place to be. And ooh, there's out the claw machines. I want to do that with the kids too, because that's an indoor thing. Yeah, I'll do that. Anyways, hello friends, happy Friday. We are going to our favorite Phum Mai. I think we've been here at least more than 10 times because we love it so much, and we had to take Susan. Air quality is so much better today. For a while, we were thinking, is it gonna be like this for a while? Hopefully the fires are contained and they're gone, but not, I heard.
It's still super bad in a lot like New York, Michigan, Detroit.
I didn't know it was
like it's like 500 there or something.
Oh
air
man,
it's really bad in certain
that's
places.
terrible. Stay inside, friends.
Minneapolis is
Yeah, you know,
because like,
it's not good. But you know, I heard if you breathe in a lot, it's like smoking 7 cigarettes. There's a lot of heart attacks going on because of like inhaling the smoke. It's not good for you. So stay your behind inside if there's smoke outside, like as much as possible. Alrighty, we all got our food, just gonna bond me, risking it with that cilantro. All I'm saying, I'm worried. I told the boys not to eat the lettuce. Yeah, of course.
Can I have one? All right, let's go. What do we want? Oh, they got Pikachu. I can't decide what I want. Oh, is this Charizard? I want a Charizard.
You want a Charizard, Daddy?
Yeah.
I'll get you one.
Okay, win me a Charizard.
Alright. Actually, I don't think that's gonna work.
Why?
I'll win you something.
I'll win you a Charizard.
Okay, win me a Charizard, baby. On the top. Okay. You got this. Come on, Jakey. Win me a Charizard. Ooh, that's kind of hard right there. Oh, it got stuck. Oh, thank you, buddy.
I want something.
Look at that.
I think it's Squirtle.
I think it's Squirrel, yeah.
Looking for some snacks for movie night tonight. And we're having Chicken Little and Sophia sleepover because we're going to take them to Monster Jam tomorrow. Justin dancing and fish sauce spilled on him. You better go home and change, Mr. You smelling like fish sauce. Look, they only have all strawberry high chews, honey.
Clean it.
No, you just need to take it off. Ew, you're so gross. Guess what I found out? I never knew this, but Niko, the location is right by Asia Mall. I've been door dashing it. I know about it being close by. Oh my gosh! Right by the what's it called? Phum Mai. So I'm so excited. I like to get the blended taro with boba and then this little cream thingy on top. That's my favorite. The kids like a mango smoothie thingy with mango popping boba. You barely get anything. And then I got Susan the taro one that I got last time. But now we need to go and see the real location. We had no clue it was in the mall, but here we are. Let's go. Right, Grandma?
In the mall.
Yeah. Everyone needed a pee, so I'm just sitting waiting for them. I got some soaps. You know me and like foamy soaps at Bath and Body Works. This one is so cute. Look at the packaging. And then I just got like the regular scents. Malls be hecka empty. Like, look. You know, I guess it's good we ended up in the mall for Niko because Liam needs like new hiking boots. The hiking boots that he had last year don't fit him, and he needs it for a future camping trip. And then Jakey's Crocs are a little too small for him. So I was thinking about buying him some online, but since we're right by a DSW and his Shields, we'll go look.
And 2.
Oh, that's exactly what you wanted. That's so crazy. It was in that section. Okay, maybe 2 is better. Let's order. This is Niko. We got our bobas. Susan likes 50% sweet, and I like a large. And then we got some for the kids right here. These are Liam's hacking boots. We found them at Shields. Jakey, show us your little Oliver looking shoe. He said I chose Oliver shoes, his new Crocs. Liam got scammed, y'all. What happened, Liam? Tell us.
I bought a Nito, and then on the back it says Nito used only for reference.
For reference.
And now on the front and then on the back it said, instead of frosting swappable, it says toasting swivelable.
It's like a ChatGPT like hallucination.
I have a cheese.
And Jacob
Oh my
got a
God.
I have a
cheese.
cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, cute.
Okay, they got their shoes. And Liam got, the hiking boots. And Jakey got his Oliver inspired Crocs. Doesn't it look like Oliver? Like the swirl? We got the kiddos. Chicken Little's here. Sophia. Liam, Jakey. Justin met up with his mama to pick up them kids. And look, Sharon grew this. A jalapeno and raspberry. Dude, we all need to grow our stuff so that we don't get diarrhea. But friends, good morning. It is now 7 a.m. I woke up at 5 because when Chicken Little is here, I wake up early in case he wakes up early, but he's still sleeping. Showered, got ready, like, girl, I even DIY'd the lashes on already. Cooking some eggs right now. Hopefully Chicken Little likes eggs. I looked for pancakes and we ran out. Dang it. Because, you know, all the kids love pancakes, but that's okay. I got my morning coffee. Actually, not quite yet because I need to add creatine and then my slate, my protein. Let me show you. Right here, my little protein drink. I still like Orgain, but this one has a lot of protein. And when you're in your 40s, honey, you need the protein. Oh, let me check on them eggs. Eggs are good. Yesterday, the kids played on like this inflatable water slide. And then I gave Chicken Little a bath and everyone else took a shower. And then we had movie night. And then after movie night, the kids wanted to sleep on the couch. That couch is massive. So everyone could fit, but Liam wanted to sleep on this, like, I think it's called the Nugget. So he slept on that and they were all downstairs. Grandma Susan's guest bedroom is downstairs too. There's like a full bathroom, shower down there too. But yeah, it was, not gonna lie, it was tiring last night. Fed them dinner. I made more spaghetti because we didn't have enough from last time. Girl, I was tired. I was like, yeah, I'm old. I can't be having no more babies. So some of y'all telling me like, oh, have you thought of more kids? Girl, my body was tired. And then I have like this anxiety about the baby waking up. And so I wake up so early, like in anticipation. And still he ain't awake. Jacob's breakfast. That's Sophia. Hello, my friends. We're going to Monster Jam with the crew.
Hello.
Hi, Sophia's there too. We don't show her, right? And we don't show Chicken Little. He's napping right now, so we're gonna stay in the car with the AC running for a little bit while he naps so he can have a good day. So we're here at Monster Jam. This is a pit party. Right, we're sitting. I got food. We all got food. I'm feeding Chicken Little. He has his monster truck.
For Fernando Martinez and Toluca.
at this place called Vegabondo. Look at Jiggy. We finally let him have soda and now he's like, I would like a Mexican Coke. He got good taste though, for real. They got a lasagna, they got pizza, and they got a how do you say it? Bolognese. And I got a gnocchi, it's on its way. This is so pretty.
All right, we got some ice cream after dinner, and we're walking down to the port.
This way?
Yeah, baby. So beautiful. Such a beautiful night. You guys having fun?
They're so nice. I think it's like 7 p.m. and we're eating ice cream. Look how pretty it is. Like, I gotta say, Minnesota summers are wonderful. They really, but then winter, I'd be scared driving in the snow. Last year, Justin got a French cruise boat. I think it looked like that. And like we got like 20 people and it was for Justin's mastermind, but we invited the kids and Bubby. It was so fun. Did Chicken Little come too?
No.
Oh yeah, okay. Chicken Little didn't come. Hello my friends, it's the next day. I'm gonna go work out. Girl, a lot of you actually have left comments like, oh, you seem so much happier in California, but I'm still happy here in Minnesota. So isn't it, Susan? But then I thought about it. I really thought long and hard about how my mental health shifted. It's truly therapy. Going to California, yes, but also I have a therapist now, and all of that happened before California, and then I went to California. But I chatted with my therapist the day before I went to California. Having a therapist has made a huge difference. So I encourage you, friends, if you're going through it like I have been, get you a therapist. I have one through our insurance, and that's why it took me a long time, because I had to find one through insurance. I was willing to pay out of pocket through BetterHelp, because I did out of pocket through BetterHelp when my mom passed away. And the reason why I did it is because it was fast and I needed help right away. Like, the thing about mental health is it takes forever to get therapists, you know? One time I had post-weaning depression after I stopped breastfeeding Liam and my hormones were out of whack. I would call my mom and tell her, like, I don't want to wake up today. I don't want to be here today. It was bad. It was really bad. Anyways, I couldn't get a therapist right away. And by the time that I got a therapist, girl, I ain't needed no more. My hormones leveled out and I was happy again. Anyways, all to say is, like, therapy is really important. And so therapy, drinking water, and working out. And so I'm gonna go work out now. Have a wonderful day, friends. Bye.